What is depreciation in auto insurance claim settlement? Imagine you get into a minor accident and need to file an insurance claim. You might wonder why the payout isn't covering the full cost of repairs. One key reason is depreciation. Depreciation in auto insurance claim settlement means the reduction in your vehicle's value over time because of age, wear and tear, or previous use. When the insurance company figures out how much to pay you, they often subtract this depreciation from the repair or replacement cost. This means you usually get paid based on what your car or parts are worth today, not what you paid when you bought it or the cost of a brand new part. For example, if a car part costs $1,000 new but has depreciated by 30% because it's used and older, the insurer might only pay $700 for its replacement or repair. This is because the part has lost value over time. Depreciation is important because it directly affects how much money you receive after an accident. Most policies base their payout on the actual cash value, which is the replacement cost minus depreciation. If you have coverage for replacement cost, you might be able to get back the full amount of the repair or replacement cost, but you will need to show proof that you replaced or repaired the part. There is also a related idea called a diminished value claim. This is when you ask for compensation because your car is worth less after an accident, even if it has been repaired. This type of claim is usually made against the at-fault driver's insurance. It recognizes that even if your car looks good after repairs, it is now less valuable on the market. Understanding depreciation helps you see why the insurance payout might be less than the actual repair bill or the cost of a new part. It also highlights the importance of reviewing your policy details. Some insurers allow you to recover depreciation if you keep receipts for repairs or replacements. Others may not cover diminished value unless it's specifically included in your policy. Knowing these facts can help you manage your expectations and make better decisions when managing your policy and claims.